We'll guide you through how to fix being unable to follow people on TikTok. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's get started in fixing this. So first of all, you want to try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, also known as cellular data. So at the moment I'm using Wi-Fi, so I'm going to go and switch to cellular data. If you're currently using cellular data, then try joining a Wi-Fi network and seeing if that solves the problem. If it does, then great. If it doesn't, then the next thing you want to try doing is clearing the app cache. To do that, come to the profile page, click on the three lines in the top right and click on settings and privacy. Now go and scroll down to cache and mobile and click on free up space, and you want to go and see the cache here. Go and click on clear like so, and it will then clear it. And then what you can try doing is seeing if the problem is solved. If that still doesn't solve the problem, then you want to fully close the app. To do that, swipe up on it like so. And you then want to go and restart your device. This will vary depending upon your device. On an iPhone, press the increase volume button, the decrease, and start holding down the power button. Your phone screen will go black, and when you see the Apple icon, release, and it will start again. See if you can now follow people. If you still can't, then what you want to try doing is just making sure you're running the latest version of TikTok. To do that, close out of it, open up the App Store or the Play Store, and go and search for it. What you then want to do is go and see if you can see the update option. As you can see, I have one there. It'll go and say update where it says open. If there is one, go and do it. If that still doesn't solve the problem, then come to your profile page, click on the three lines in the top right and click on settings and privacy. Scroll down to the bottom to support and about and click on report a problem. Then what you want to do is go and type in follow like so. Find the option unable to follow a user. Then what you want to do is go through these notes here, as that might provide a reason why it's happening and how it will go and be fixed. And if it still isn't working, you can scroll down and you can go and click on no, and you can click on need more help. And here you can go and explain what's happening, and they'll go and help you fix it.